How to add your pronouns to your YouTube channel. Open any of a browser that you prefer. Right here, you have to search for YouTube. Make sure it is in desktop side. For that, tap on the three dot icon at the top and tap on the desktop side to give it a tick mark. Now once you do that, next step is to tap on the username icon. From here, head to your YouTube studio. At the left hand side, you will see some of these options. Go ahead and tap on this magic wand type of option. That is the channel customization. Then tap on basic info. So right here in some of the region, you will find the option of adding your pronouns. However, in my region, it is not currently active. So if the option is present in your region, you can easily go ahead and edit the pronouns in your YouTube channel. So go ahead and give it a try, and thank you so much for watching.